In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create purchase orders in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage inventory, order products from vendors, or run a business that regularly purchases goods or services, purchase orders are an essential part of keeping everything organized and documented. Using purchase orders in Zoho Books helps you track orders, manage vendors, control spending, and keep accurate accounting records. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable purchase orders, how to create a new purchase order, and how to send it directly to your vendor from inside Zoho Books. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and manage purchase orders quickly and efficiently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is make sure the purchase order feature is enabled in Zoho Books. Sometimes this module is not visible by default, so you may need to turn it on in the settings before you can start creating purchase orders. To do this, log into your Zoho Books account and look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings area. Once you're inside the settings panel, find and click on Preferences. This section allows you to control which modules and features are active in your Zoho Books account. Inside the Preferences page, look under the General section. Here you'll see a list of modules that can be enabled or disabled depending on your workflow. Look for the option labeled Purchase Orders. If the checkbox next to Purchase Orders is not enabled, simply check the box to activate it. After enabling the option, scroll down and click Save to apply the changes. Once this is saved, the Purchase Order module will now appear in your Zoho Books navigation menu. Now that purchase orders are enabled, the next step is navigating to the Purchase Orders section. To do this, go to the left sidebar in Zoho Books. From the menu, click on Purchases. This area contains all vendor-related transactions, such as bills, expenses, and purchase orders. After clicking Purchases, select Purchase Orders from the list. This will open the Purchase Orders dashboard, where you can view all existing purchase orders and create new ones. To create a new purchase order, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled New or Plus New. This will open the purchase order creation form, where we'll enter all the order details. Now let's go through the fields you need to fill out to create the purchase order. The first field is vendor name. Here you'll select the vendor you're ordering from. If the vendor already exists in your Zoho Books contacts, simply choose them from the drop-down list. If the vendor is new and hasn't been added yet, you can click on New Vendor and quickly create a vendor profile before continuing. Next is the purchase order number. Zoho Books can automatically generate this number based on your numbering sequence, but you can also manually edit it if your business uses a specific numbering system. This number helps you track and reference the purchase order later. The next field is reference number. This field is optional, but it can be useful if you want to attach an internal tracking number, supplier quote number, or another identifier related to the purchase. After that, select the date for the purchase order. This represents the day the order is being placed with the vendor. Then you'll see the expected delivery date field. This is optional, but very helpful for planning and inventory management. Here you can set the date when you expect the items to arrive from your vendor. Next, you'll see the shipment preference option. This allows you to specify the shipping method or delivery carrier that will be used to send the items. For example, you might choose standard delivery, courier service, or another preferred shipping method. Once the vendor and order details are filled in, the next step is adding the items you want to purchase. In the item details section, you'll start selecting the products or services you want to order from the vendor. If your items are already created in Zoho Books, you can simply select them from the item drop-down list. When you select an item, Zoho Books will automatically fill in some details, such as description and default pricing if it has been configured. Next, enter the quantity of the item you want to order. This represents how many units you're purchasing from the vendor. After that, review or enter the rate, which is the cost per unit for that item. Make sure the rate reflects the price agreed with your supplier. Then select the appropriate tax rate if tax is applied to the purchase. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the tax amount based on the rate and quantity you entered. You can repeat this process to add multiple items to the purchase order if you are ordering several products from the same vendor. Simply add additional item rows and enter the details for each one. Below the item section, you'll also find a field for customer notes or vendor notes. This area is useful for including special instructions for the vendor, such as packaging requirements, delivery instructions, or any other details related to the order. Once everything looks correct, the final step is saving the purchase order. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few options. You can click Save as Draft if you want to store the purchase order and send it later. This is helpful if the order still needs approval or review. Alternatively, you can click Save and Send if you want Zoho Books to immediately email the purchase order to your vendor. Zoho Books will generate a professional purchase order document and send it directly to the vendor's email address stored in their contact profile. And that's it. You've successfully created a purchase order in Zoho Books. As you can see, the process is straightforward and helps keep your purchasing workflow organized and properly documented. Purchase orders make it easier to track what you've ordered, monitor deliveries, and ensure your accounting records stay accurate. If this video helped you learn how to create purchase orders in Zoho Books, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. And if you want to see more Zoho Books guides, automation tips, and accounting workflow tutorials, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.